All right, we're gonna change cabin air filter on a 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. It's on the passenger side, behind your glove box. So just pull your glove box down, and then you have two screws. One right here, and one on the other side. Now, I can't remember if I've actually changed this one before or not. This car's got 25,000, somewhere around 25,000 miles. So I think it was probably changed already, but it depends on how dirty, dusty your area is. And then I just push in on these things, this door flips up. Some dirt already hanging off of this thing. Looks like it says 2019 on this filter. So since the car is newer than this filter, they must have been using this filter on other models prior. Well, it looks pretty dirty to me, but it was replaced because the car's a 2022, so I don't think this is the original filter. You see the arrows? Let's take a look. Yeah, it's dirty all the way through. Let's check out the new filter. Compare it to this other one. Get my little tripod going here. Well, the part number is the same. 1308023. 135080023. Same number. Looks like the same size. So airflow down. So let's go put this in. Let's see if this thing's got a date. Well, it says 23. So, I'm not sure what the 25 was. The day, I guess. So, we'll have to go back and check that other one. Well, it might have been reading it wrong. Might have been the 19th. I've noticed sometimes these filters, maybe it's just the aftermarket ones, I'm not sure, but sometimes they're charcoal. There's like a charcoal in them, so they look dirty already, and that's, I think, just for like odor control. Just up here. And maybe if you smoke or something in your car, probably helps. But I think some of the aftermarket companies make them different. I'm not sure if AC Delco does or not, but I just put the one in there from AC Delco, so we should be good. Alright, I just gotta figure out this box. Looks like it just fits in these grooves right here. So, and then over on this side, let's see, that's just hitting on the side over there. There's a little nub. So what we're gonna do is we're just, I took this off so I could pull this in a little bit like that. And then on this side, you gotta hook up this little shock thing. It goes right on here. I think it keeps it from getting pulled down too far, possibly. Just put that on, and that's it. A kind of a slow closer. Let's see, it doesn't seem like it's in all the way over on this side. We have to take a look. There we go. All right, so you got that. You'll know that you're in all the way on the bottom, like right here. If you could see this, you'll know that you're in all the way in the like the hinge area. If this closes, and then right, you know you're good. So I guess you gotta just put all your stuff back in here. That pretty much sums up changing your cabin air filter. I used a fractional socket, but it may be metric. This is a 7/32 for the 2 screws on each side. So thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos.